To play as a black in Duolingo chess, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end. Now about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you play as a black on the Duolingo chess. Now if you want to play as black on the Duolingo chess, then make sure that you have installed the Duolingo app on the device. So if you have not installed the app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the Duolingo app and make sure that you are signed into your account. After that, you just need to click on the option of the course at the very top left, and here you will see the option of chase and the course which you have selected. So simply tap on it and click on the option of start like this. So thing is that at the very basic level, they will teach you how to move the chess boards, and they will also teach you how to move the chess, and they will also how to move you the queen and all of the things like this. And after, if you play all of it and learn the lesson from it, then here you will be able to see the option called play, and under the play button you may select the option of daily duels, lesson, multiplayer or challenge. So if it is an AI lesson, then you may be able to choose the color, but if it is a multiplayer, then you are sometimes randomly assigned the colors. So if you are playing with AI, then you need to look for the option of choose color or click on the option of advanced setting. So after selecting on the option of advanced setting while playing the multiplayer, you just need to select for the option of black. So select the option of black like that, and that's it. That's how you can select the black while playing chess on the Duolingo app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.